Welcome to SHPP Educational Channel. Farm animals. Farm animals are animals that are raised and kept for agriculture purpose. Cows. Cows provide milk, which is used to make dairy products like cheese, butter, yogurt, cream. Horse. Horses helps farmer with their day-to-day work. Horses pull trailers, wagons and use it for riding also. Goats. Goats can be milked just like cows. Goat's milk can be used to make cheese, butter, yogurt. Chickens. Chickens are kept either for their meat or to lay eggs. Geese. Female geese lay eggs just like chickens. Dog. Dogs are one of the world's most popular pet and farm animal. Dogs are used for hunting, surveillance of the farm. Dogs are most sociable and intelligent animal. Donkey. In rural areas, donkeys are often used in farming and transportation. They pull plows and carts. Sheep. Sheep are raised for their milk, wool and for meat. For more educational videos, please subscribe, like, share SHPP Educational Channel.